Hello there, guys. So, as I said, we were talking about fanboys. So, fanboys are called coordinating conjunctions for and, not, but, or, yet. And so, when you have these elements in a sentence construction, so you will know that we're talking about a compound sentence. Yeah. So, some examples for you. For example, simple sentences: Grace opened the door. That's one. And she looked outside. Do we have two independent ideas? Yes, because they have both a subject and a verb. But if we add and, right, we have a combination of two independent ideas with this coordinated conjunction or fanboy, and this make the sentence become a compound sentence. It is not simple anymore. Now it is compound because we have this element. Yes? Remember, the, the, the fact that I'm adding a fanboy makes both ideas become uh, independent from each other, or well, not to say dependent from each other, but we have a combination of two independent ideas just because of the use of the fanboy in this case. But for example, I am good at swimming, but I don't like it. So in that case, we are talking about a compound sentence because we have the fanboy, but the coordinating conjunction, and we have two independent ideas. I don't like it. We have subject and verb. I am good at swimming. Subject and verb. So in this case, the structure is accomplished in both sentences, and we have the coordinating conjunction. For example, these ones. Yes, it was raining, so I took an umbrella. Again, coordinating conjunction, two independent ideas. This is, in this case, as a result, a compound sentence. Yes, I was late, one idea. I wasn't tired, another idea. Two independent ideas, in this case, combined by the use of yet, and the same for the last sentence. Yeah, so that is what we call a compound sentence. Now let's talk about complex sentences. Very important, guys. Pay very close attention to this one, because now this one has something different in semantic and pragmatic terms, but you will understand it, don't worry. An independent clause, it has only one, and it has another clause that is dependent. What do you mean? An independent clause, as I explained to you at the beginning with simple sentences, this is a complete thought, but now we have not, we don't have a complete thought, which in this case would be a dependent clause. That's why it's called dependent, because it depends from another clause in order to be complete or in order to become a complete idea. What do I mean? Let's see. When he won the award, everyone cheered. Yes. So in that case, we have everyone cheered. Yes. In this case, we have subject and verb. The structure is accomplished. But then you see a sentence like this one: when he won the award, and then you start asking like, who? Firstly, who won the award? When he won the award, which award? I think that you need more context in order to understand that piece of idea. Yes? So if you were wondering the same as I was, it means that in this case we have the dependent clause, the one that needs the other clause in order to be complete. Yes? So let's see another example. Now that I have saved up, I can buy a bike. Yes, I can buy a bike. In this case, it has a subject and it has a verb, so it is a complete thought. But in contrast, we have the dependent clause. Now that I have saved up what? Yes. So if you make this kind of questions to those sentences, you will know that that is the dependent clause. So let's see. I took my umbrella. Again, subject and verb, but then we have this one with because, which in this case joined with this subordinating conjunction, yes, which is the other type of conjunction that we need for complex sentences. So because it was raining, you say, what do you mean? Where? Where exactly? When? So you need more context. You will know that this is the dependent clause and this is the independent. Let me get you another video in order to go in depth with what I said to you at the beginning, which is subordinating conjunction. Now not coordinated, but subordinate.